Available now at the Sioux City Titan Outlet Store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 1975 Case 1830. This skid steer has a 1,200 pound rated lift capacity, along with a mechanical coupler and 60-inch utility bucket, and a block heater and gasoline engine. The cab is equipped with hand controls and a rollover protection system. If you're interested in this Case 1830 and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-866-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.